Hey, what's up, brew tubers? I'm back. All right, I drained the bag. I don't know if you saw it before, but I had the rack on the boil kettle, squeezing the bag. Now this is just the last little bit to dry out the grain before I give it to the swans. I collected about 13 in Hans, 13 gallons of worts. I'm looking at hopefully a 1.5 gallon boil off. Bring it down to 11.5, which will be good to go. I have my my sample over here. I got to take a reading, letting it cool down. Just cleaning up, getting things rolling here. Put the wort on the fire at 10, and just waiting for the boil to start. Added some foam reduction in there. So where we at? We are, oh yeah, look at that. Almost there. Almost at, what is that, about 187, 188. All right, hey, we'll talk to you in a little bit.